Welcome to the world of smart homes. Today we're diving in to the epic showdown between local control and cloud control. Let's meet the contestants. On the left, in the blue corner, we have local control Larry, the dependable, no internet needed smart home device. On the right, in the red corner, we have cloud control Clara, the internet savvy, always connected smart home device. Let's start with a speed test. Larry, turn on the lights.
Lights on.
Clara, turn on the lights.
Buffering, just a moment. Buffering, lights on.
Larry wins the speed test, no buffering needed. Next test, internet outage. Oh no, the internet's out. Larry, can you turn on the lights?
No problem. Lights on.
Clara, can you turn on the lights?
Error, no internet. I can't connect to the cloud.
Local control Larry saves the day during the internet outage. Security is our next challenge. Here we go.
Let's see if I can hack into these devices.
Good luck. I'm not connected to the internet. I have switched on my firewall. I think.
Oh no, I hope my cloud servers are secure.
Local control Larry keeps your data safe and sound, if your firewall's switched on. Finally, updates. Larry, do you have any new features?
Nothing new. I'm as reliable as ever.
Clara, any new updates?
Yes. I just got a new feature from the cloud.
So, whether you prefer the reliability of local control Larry or the cutting-edge features of cloud control Clara, there's a smart home device for everyone. Thanks for joining us in this epic slowdown. And remember, the choice is yours.